The first step is to clean everything up because I'm going to be laying new vinyl window over this side here. The plan is we're going to lay new clear vinyl. We're going to leave the old on to keep the shape, and then once I'm done sewing it in, we're going to cut the old out. So we got to have a clean surface so it's not doing too much damage to the new stuff. I use 409 to clean vinyl and plastic windows. It's also a very good general purpose degreaser cleaner. Okay, we'll quickly clean the other side. Pull it up as well so you can see why we're replacing this window. It's just completely deteriorated over time. But all the snaps and everything are still okay. Okay, I'm gonna cut the rough shape out, and then we're gonna set some adhesive tape around the edges and set it on. If there wasn't this cut right here on the bottom opening spot here, we'd want a slit spot for my scissors to sneak in, but since we have an opening here, we don't need to do that. All right, let's just lay this bad boy on there. All right. Ooh. All right, you got one shot. All right. I'm going to go down a little bit from the original line so I get on the acrylic tape with my sewing. But everything's looking really good. I'm going to switch the camera around and we'll sew it up. Okay, now we just have to cut out the old and trim around the edges, and we'll be finished up with this one. And this will be ready to go. And here's our new window. Nice and refreshed.